Aortic stenosis. Auscultation features and murmur sound description. After the explanation of auscultation features of aortic stenosis, you can hear the murmur sound. Auscultation features. 1. We can hear normal first heart sound. 2. Systolic ejection click. It results from maximal opening and abrupt deceleration of the flexibly stenotic aortic valve. 3. We can clearly hear ejection systolic murmur. It is a diamond-shaped, high-pitched, systolic murmur. Murmur is usually rough in quality. Best heard in aortic area. Radiate into the carotid arteries. 4. Soft or inaudible aortic second heart sound. It occurs due to immobility of aortic valve. 5. Reversed splitting of second heart sound. Usually physiological splitting occurs in inspiration. Aortic valve closes slightly before pulmonary valve. But in aortic stenosis, splitting occurs in expiration. Pulmonary valve closes slightly before aortic valve. 6. Prominent fourth heart sound. It occurs due to forceful atrial contraction in late diastole. Remember, in aortic stenosis, low volume, slow rising radial pulse should be examined. Auscultation method. Auscultate with diaphragm of the stethoscope in the second right intercostal space and check for the radiation in carotid arteries.